you have to arrange on my Ratha Yatra. So far this tradition is going on. Jagannath temple to Gundicha temple. There is community in 1,000 years this tradition is going on. And especially Gundicha Devi, you may be asked why not other place, why Gundicha temple is a specific place. Here Lord Jagannath is coming Jagannath temple to Gundicha temple. Gundicha Devi history is there. Gundicha Devi, she is the queen of Indradumna Maharaj. And she manifested her chastity. So that very nice, beautiful Lila Katha is there. Once Indradumna Maharaj, he performed fire sacrifice. Then, when Indradumna Maharaj performed fire sacrifice, the end of fire sacrifice, that is called Purnahoti. You know Purnahoti? Meaning your fire sacrifice will be complete and chanting one special mantra and offering the obligation, offering. We are also doing this, coconuts, some fruits, flowers, garland, red cloth, all we are doing this, and ghee with the offering this. Some mantra is there also. So when Indradumna Maharaj, he offered this Purnahoti, and that time the Rishchatri Devata, that is called presiding deities of Jagna, they have to manifest in Sapta Yuga is there. But for Jagga Adhishtatri Devata, understand Jagga Adhishtatri, presiding deity of Jagna. Jagna Adhishtatri would be manifest, but Jagga Adhishtatri Devata not manifest. So that means your fire sacrifice is not complete. So Indradumna Maharaj, he became very upset. What is my fault? That time he prayed to Lord Vishnu. One aerial sound came, divine sound came. Told Indradumna Maharaj, actually you have no fault. Your wife Gundicha, she has some false egos in her heart. Well, what is that false ego? That she is thinking that Indradumna Maharaj, and he is my husband. Understand it? Actually, who is our real husband? Krishna. Krishna, Lord, he is our real husband. And in this material world, wife and husband, that is called the bodily relationship. When your body finish, then all your relationship finish. But actually our real husband, who is called? Lord. So Lord, one name is called Jagatnath. What is it? Jagannath, Jagannath. Jagatnath. Jagat meaning universe. Nath means husband. There are many meanings. Nath means controller. Many meanings is coming. So Jagannath means who is the supreme controller of the universe. Actually, he is the real our husband. So Gundicha Devi, she is thinking Indradumna Maharaj is her husband. So for this regard, she also put her what is called? Nose ring, nose ring putting. Nose ring, that is the Orissa traditional, the symbol of wife and husband. Different culture, and this is their, as like Bengal, their culture, wife, if she is married, then she putting the sindoor here, and also council, putting it there, Shankar. And Orissa also, this is their the culture, they are putting the nose ring. Then you go UP, Uttar Pradesh, their culture is they are putting the, what is called? Ankle bells, and also, what is you are putting in the, and toe ring. Different culture. So for this regard, then Ariel sound came and told, and Gundicha Devi, she is thinking, and Indradumna Maharaj, and her husband. Understand? Husband means two meanings. Many meanings there, two meanings. Husband means the relation between wife and husband, their relationship. Or husband means, that is called, who is the supreme controller. So who is supreme controller? Krishna. Understand you? So she have to throw her nose ring and offer to Lord. That time Gundicha Devi, she also throw her nose ring. Then the Rishthatri Devata, presiding deities of person manifest. For this remembrance of Gundicha Devi's this Leela, that is called Gundicha Mandir. That is Indradumna Maharaj, he also built this mandir. Understand? So every year Lord he goes from Jagannath temple to Gundicha temple. Understand? This is the actual their tradition is called Mosiwari. Mosiwari means what is called? Sister of aunt. Mother. Aunt. So Lord Jagannath is going in there also. This is the tradition. Every year he is. Actually in this way Lord Jagannath, he is giving darshan to all the fallen living entities. This is the present. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu just changed this mood. Same tradition is going. Lord Jagannath, he is going Jagannath temple to Gundicha temple. Same chariot, same thing is going. Just Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu changed the mood. Change the mood is that Jagannath temple is as like Dwarakapuri or Kurukshetra, or Gundicha temple as like Vrindavan. This mood is going on. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is thinking, now Jagannath means Krishna, he is going Kurukshetra to Vrindavan. This mood is going on. Because Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's mood is the highest conjugal mode, Madhurya Bhav. So this mood is going. Actually, who is bringing to Krishna to Vrindavan? Kurukshetra to Vrindavan? Gopis. Srimati Radhika. She holds the Krishna in her Hriday Mandir. The chariot of the heart of the chariot of Srimati Radhika. Who is bringing to Krishna from Kurukshetra to Vrindavan? Srimati Radhika. So we also explain this way. We are sadhak, we are not Srimati Radhika. So how to bring to Krishna in our Hriday Mandir, temple of our heart? So saying this way, our mind is as like chariot. What is it? Mind is as like chariot. Mano Ratha. What is it? Mano means mind. Rath means chariot. So Lord, he is going in Manoratha, chariot of our mind. But his mind, where Lord is sitting? Hriday Mandir. Our heart is as like temple. Mandir. Mandir means temple. But this heart should be neat and clean. If your heart not neat and clean, Lord will not sit. For this regard, day before Ratha Yatra, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu cleaning the temple of Gundicha. Same tradition is going on this way. Day before Ratha Yatra, also they also clean the temple. Mahaprabhu doing the same thing. Not Mahaprabhu change anything, but mood change. Okay? Mood is very important. Mood means bhav. Bhav is important. You serve to Lord which mood? Santa mood, Dasa, Sakha, Vatsalya and Madhurya. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested the highest mood, that is the mood of the gopis, gopi bhav. What is it? Gopi bhav. And you bring to Krishna, Kurukshetra to Vrindavan, need gopi bhav. Without gopi bhav, Krishna will not come in Vrindavan. Vrindavanam mama jivanam, Vrindavanam mama hridayam. Vrindavan is my heart. Vrindavan is my jivan, mane. Vrindavan is my life, soul of life. And so Krishna always will be stay in our Hridaya Mandir. Hridaya Mandir, temple of heart. But how Krishna will be stay in our Hridaya Mandir, temple of heart? The heart is neat and clean, very soft. You want to sit which place? Neat and clean place. And also is the place that is very soft. Do you like to sit very hard place or not? No. Everybody want to soft place. Those are fat men, they want to sit in where? Very soft bed. Everything needs soft. Komal. Soft money? Komal. So Lord, He will be sit in your temple of heart, Hridaya Mandir, if your heart is very soft. Understand? Very soft. Then Lord will sit. Here the significance is what? Your heart will be neat and clean. Put completely free from lust, anger, enviousness, stupid, nonsense, rascal. Understand? Something you have not. Give up these things. Heart should be neat and clean. So Mahaprabhu, he is teaching to us how to the cleaning the temple of Gundicha and how to free from all kinds of anarthas, unwanted things. So these things. And need the highest mood also. Main thing need is what? Ratha Yatra means a mood, highest mood. What is the highest mood? Braj, Parakya, Gopi Bhav. Aradho Bhagavan Brajesattanaya Tadhamam Vrindavanam Ramma Kachit Pasana Brajavadhu Vargana Jakalpita Srimat Bhagavatam Pramanamalam Prema Pumartaman Sri Chaitanyam Mahaprabhur Matamidam Tatradaro Napara. So Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is the highest opinion. Mat means opinion. What is the opinion of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Follow. You know the verse or not? Not learning these verse? When you write, when you learn? 10 years you are not learning. Aradho Bhagavano Brajesatanem Tadhamam Vrindavanam Ramma Kachit Upasana Brajabudhu Vargana Jakalpita Srimad Bhagavatam Praman Amalang Prema Pumartaman Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhur Matamidam Tatradaro Naparaha. Our worshipful deity is Vrindavan Samsundar, who is the son of Nanda Maharaj, Jasoda Nandan, and who is called also Dhir Lalit Nayak. What is it? Dhir Lalit Nayak. Answer 96 types of hero. 360 types of heroine. Vrindavan Samsundar is the topmost hero. Yesterday to hero is zero. Zero is hero. Understand? Dear Prabhupada. Hero is zero. Or zero is hero. If the zero staying with one number, that is he is hero. Or if the no number, zero, useless. That is the hero is what? Zero. You want to become hero or not? If you want to become hero, then you chant holy names. And or if you zero, then Krishna disappear. So what you will do? Chant holy names. And so Varnandan Samsundar Krishna, he is the topmost hero, Nayak. Understand? So that is called Dhir Lalit Nayak. Or when Krishna manifests his mood of Dhir Lalit Nayak, then Srimati Radhika, she is called which Nayika? Or you forget? That is called Sadhin Bhartika Nayika. What is it? Bhartika Nayika. Understand? So Srimati Radhika topmost mode, that is called Sadhin Bhartika Nayika. Or Krishna is the topmost Nayak, hero. That is called Dhir Lalit Nayak. Understand this? So Rinandan Samsundar Krishna Dhir Lalit Nayak, he is our Ishtadeva. What's it? And his dham, that is called Vrindavan Dham. So Vrindavan Krishna, he is our Ishtadev. Not Muthuradhis, Dwarkadhis Krishna, not Muthuradhis Krishna. Krishna three dhamas. One is called Dwarkadham, second Muthuradham, or third Vrindavan Dham. Then Purna, Purnatara and Purnatama. Purna means complete. Dwarkadham is called complete. Or Muthuradham is called more complete. Or Vrindavan Dham is called most complete. So Vrindavan Chandra Krishna, Dhir Lalit Nayak, is our Ishtadeva. So the Aradho Bhagavan Brajasatana Tad Dham Vrindavanam. Ramma Kachit Upasana Brajabudhu Vargena Jag Kalpita. Dhir Lalit Nayak, he worshipped by Braj Gopis. Understand this? Which Braj Gopis? Those mood, the highest mood. Especially those are same mood of Srimati Radhika. If you not same mood of Srimati Radhika, so you cannot serve to Krishna in proper way. So need here the highest mood. Sneham and Shraddha, Sadhusanga, Bhajana Kriya, Anartha Nivritti, Nishtha, Ruchi, then Asakti, Bhav and Prem. Then Sneha, Man, Pranay, Rag, Gunarag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Ruda, Udiruda, Mohan, Modan and Madanakha Mahabhav. So this Madanakha Mahabhav Sarvani Srimati Radhika, she prepares serves to Krishna. So this is called Radhika. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu manifested this mood. Srimati Radhika highest mood. And this highest mood manifested in Srimad Bhagavatam. Spotless Puran Srimad Bhagavatam is the evidence. This is the process also. Those who are highest devotees of Krishna, Uddhava, always hankering how to receive on the sprinkle mood of Srimati Radhika. Asamo Charnarenu Jusam Sam Brindavane Kimopi Gulma Latoishi Dhanam Jaduscha Jasajana Arja Patancha Hitva Bhejur Mukunda Padavi Sruti Bhi Vimigam. Krishna manifested his topmost mood in Rasdan with Srimati Radhika. Same Rama Ramanam Sundarata Varishta Sundarja Mohita Samasta Jagad Janasya Samasya Bhamodja Kadhatanu Tam Indira Bharam सुंदरता वरिष्ठ सौंदर्य मोहित समस्त जगत जनस्य. Krishna manifests his topmost beautiful form in Ras dance with Srimati Radhika, not Chandravali, not others. Only with Srimati Radhika. As Srimati Radhika, she also manifests his topmost mood, topmost form with Srimati Radhika, with Krishna in Ras dance. And so Srimati Radhika's beauty and mood, everything has depicted the mood of all the Lakshmis in Vaikuntha. Lord Narayan, millions, what is called? Lakshmis are there. And all the Vaikuntha Dham's Lakshmis, their beauty, their activities put in one balance. Or just Srimati Radhika, one the sprinkle mood, beauty, everything put another balance. It will be never also equal. So, Srimati Radhika. Hello, Vrindavan Vihari. Okay, now 8, what is the time now? 8:30. Okay, you take some pressure. Oh, give that Jarda, it's called. I brought lot of. Are you nuts? What is that?
The nuts.
Are you? Huh?
This is why they give Radhika name Sarva Lakshmi Mai.
Yeah. Huh? Pardon?
One name Srimati Radhika is Sarva Lakshmi Mai.
Sarva Lakshmi, Sarva Kamti. Okay, everybody take. Huh? Maharaj, Maharaj. Okay. Please come. Don't keep. Take 2 hands. Huh? You too? You too? Chalo. Or who did not take? You? Huh? Why not? Huh?
You want to put it here? Somebody need their cup? You want a cup to
Huh?
put the statue?
You took? Eh?
Yes. Take more. I'll take more.
Take more. No problem.
Pero llévate unos cuantos para ti.
Eh? Prabhuji, Haribol, por favor, come. No, Spaniel, what is it?
Por favor.